Let us learn الحرف باء. Letter باء with the short vowels. The sound of the letter ba with the fatha is ba. The sound of the letter ba with the dhamma is bu. The sound of the letter ba with the kasra is bi. Letter ba with the long vowel. The sound of the letter ba with the long vowel is ba. The sound of the letter ba with the long vowel is boo. The sound of the letter ba with the long vowel is b. The sound of the letter ba with the absent of the short vowels, which mean as-sukun, ab. Letter ba changes shape depending on its position in a word. Let's see some examples. The word bab means a door, has letter ba at the beginning and letter ba at the end. The word bayt means house. It begins with the letter ba. The word maktaba means library. It has a letter ba in the middle. The word kalb means a dog and it has a letter ba at the end. The word kitab means a book and it has the letter ba at the end. Keep practicing.